Okay, thank you very much for being here, for having me. I'm very excited to say that we won the first place at NoirHack, so apparently we did something right. And yeah, I'm going to show you what we have built during NoirHack and what we've been working on. And I would like to start a question for you all, and it is, when you're looking to buy a product off of Amazon or any other e-commerce site or whatever, do you check the reviews? Do you check what other people posted? Raise your hands if you do. Okay, that's pretty much all of you, which is good. And I assume that if the product does not meet the expectations or is based on how the reviews that you read, you are mad or annoyed. And I mean, okay, it's annoying, but you lose $10, $20, $50, so it's not the end of the world. But what if the same logic would apply to a much more important topic in your career navigation, your applications for jobs that you're looking for? You apply to a job, you get accepted, and you arrive at the company and see that it is nothing like advertised. So this is what we've been working on. OpenBands, a platform for verified company reviews. And yeah, the problem that we have identified is that current job boards really lack the ability to provide verified company reviews, which means that any company owner could pay some guy $100 and say, okay, write me 50 positive reviews about how cool my company is. Or even worse, you could face an influx of negative reviews from competitors or unrelated individuals that want to harm your business, which is even worse and really a pain. So, and essentially, who's paying the price? It's the job seekers, it's the employers, it's HR agencies who do not have reliable data. So the solution is OpenBands, which is a platform for verified company reviews. Essentially, we provide job seekers and employees with accurate and reliable insights so they can make informed decisions. I have a demo video here, and let's see if and how I can play it. Okay. So the way it works is you use your company email address. For testing purposes, I used my private Gmail account. Please don't spam my account. And yeah, you can see I logged in with Gmail, and we retrieve the JSON web token, which is basically a credential that you have access to your company's account. And then, to prove your position and salary, we use ZK email to retrieve the inputs from selected email body contents. Like you can see here, the position, senior software engineer, and salary of 100,000. And you should also download the email as an EML file and upload it to our front end. Everything stays client-side, so you're not uploading it to any server or something, which means that your personal and private information stays with you. And yeah, then you can also, if we check the console logs here, which might not be that interesting for now, but this is how it works. So we have these three inputs, the JSON web token, the position, and the salary, which we retrieve from the email. We can create some star ratings for our company and generate the proof client-side. Yeah, that's pretty much it, how it works. So we're generating the proof. It only takes about 20 seconds, so very quick for the user, which is great. And yeah, this should be it for the demo. Okay, the proof is generating, and we can see it there, senior software engineer with the ratings, and anyone on the front end can verify it. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yeah. So I showed that proving the position and salary worked for the demo purpose with ZK email and selective email disclosures, but obviously in reality it's not very suitable because many companies do not send you an email address about, hey, here's your salary for April with about $3,000. So we want to implement the open banking standard using the open banking Noir library. And essentially what this allows us is to retrieve standardized JSON web tokens or signatures which are being signed by banks. So there's also some legal weight to it. And we can use the JSON web signatures to read transaction data about off-chain bank-to-bank payments. So essentially we can select the salary that we received from a company and basically prove the salary through an off-chain bank-to-bank payment. We're also looking to maybe implement zk-TLS, and reclaim protocol, which might also be a valid solution for proving the salary, because open banking is also still in development. But yeah, there are many different approaches, so we'll see which one works best. Some numbers about Glassdoor. They've collected over 200 million company reviews, unverified company reviews, for more than 2.5 million companies. So I think this really highlights the huge market, so to speak, for company reviews and the importance of it. Yeah, our greater vision is to be the trust layer and career navigation. So instead of having job boards scattered all around the place, Web3 jobs, cryptocurrency jobs, VC job boards, or even traditional sites like Indeed, we want to have all unified in one place at OpenBands, and really push the narrative of privacy by design and having verified reviews. And even if we are not able to have everything aggregated in one place, at least we want the data that we have collected about the companies to push them to other job boards so they can show it on their front end. Yes, that was it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feedback, ideas, how we can improve, reach out to us. And if you want, you can also join our Telegram. Then we are more than 2 people in it. And yeah, thank you very much. All right. Are there any questions? If not, yeah.
I guess the company could fake a lot of aliases in order to have good reviews as well, right?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Let's say that the company could create a lot of emails at their company in order to fake a lot of reviews.
Yes. Theoretically, that would be possible. Yeah. That's an assumption that we also thought about. That okay, the IT could create a bunch of fake company accounts and basically also generate a proof on top of it.
But I think that it's important to take that into consideration, and at the same time, if you are combining it with the OpenBank APIs, basically they should be sending.
True, you would need 2 kinds of inputs. Yeah.
So that's important to take into account.
Yeah. Thanks. All right. Thank you.